I know what's happening here. You're gonna make me park, huh?
No, Hunter, well, listen. You're gonna park if you want to have amazing ramen here in Rapid City, South Dakota.
Wait. Are we going to Justin Warner's new place?
I thought we were going to Mount Rushmore.
Yes, we're going to Justin Warner, the wild card from Food Network, TOC. He makes the bao buns, the dumplings, and the killer ramen. Hope you're hungry.
I wanna eat.
This is Bokujo.
Don't start without me.
We're leaving him.
Don't leave me.
Dropping noodles from mushroom miso.
When this place opened, it was just like a dream.
Okobon, spicy miso ramen.
It's something different. They're doing something with the food culture in downtown Rapid. I think that's really important right now.
It kind of puts us on the map.
Shane-chan, do we have more shio tare?
This was my first introduction to ramen that I didn't buy for 99 cents.
You come in here and you try it, you become a believer pretty quick.
Oxtail Gyoza?
Justin is just a magic man.
Justin has more knowledge in culinary than I think anybody I know.
Which helped Chef Justin Warner win Season 8 of Food Network Star and have a culinary career in New York City. But now, he's calling South Dakota home with his wife, Brooke. First, let's recognize the newest member.
Hey, son.
Oh, my goodness. You're from here.
Yep.
So we came back, planted roots, and I said to Brooke, Brooke, we need to open a lemonade stand. And so this is the lemonade stand.
What did the community think when you came in and opened up a ramen house?
The support has just been absolutely overwhelming.
Every day is a good day for ramen.
We got toppings going down on bison.
What's your go-to order?
The bison bone. The flavor is really deep. Every aspect is spectacular, from the noodles to the broth to the bison meat. The egg tops it all off.
All right, what's the game plan?
Bison bone ramen, and for that, creatively, we're gonna need some bison bones.
Okay.
First, we're gonna soak the bison bones, and then to make sure that we have an ample amount of gelatin, I add chicken feet. We're gonna soak it for 24 hours. That's gonna pull out the myoglobin. Myoglobin is what's gonna turn it brown. Put them in the pot with fresh water, and then we're gonna put it into the walk-in oven for another 24 hours at 275 degrees.
Next up, chef.
We're gonna make this shoyu tare. In addition to being the seasoning component for the ramen, this is also gonna season our protein that is gonna top the ramen.
Pressure cooker, my favorite piece of equipment.
We got some onions.
Where did you get all your education in the world of ramen?
I started working in Japanese restaurants when I was 18. That was 20 years ago. Been obsessed ever since.
What would anybody obsessed have a Japanese,
Japanese mayo.
mayo tattooed to his arm?
Garlic, plenty of it. Ginger, essence of my sweet grandmother, MSG.
Oh.
My sweet
grandmother.
grandmother.
Oh, my secret. Oh.
Or Miss G, as it's called.
Got it.
Plenty of kosher salt. Mirin is gonna provide some actual aroma or aerosolization of the bowl itself.
Aerosolization.
You know.
There's definitely a
Volatilizing the esters.
Bro, exactly.
Wow, he's so happy right now.
Maple syrup, not normal.
Really?
It's from Wisconsin, and Maple Mike brings it to me every month.
Very little mapley and a lot of sugary.
Yes, plenty of black pepper, and then we're gonna fill the cracks with a truckload of soy sauce.
Well, it's not light sodium.
No, it's true.
Woo!
Yeah.
How long will this go for?
Until it pops.
Once it starts to...
How'd it
Once
go?
it does
Do
that,
that again.
Yeah.
once it starts to do that, then you'll turn it off and just let it sit there and cool down to room temperature.
Exactly.
What's our next?
Bison brisket.
Fantastic.
I'm excited.
I love bison.
It's not as thick and as fat as a beef brisket.
The bison is a far more ambulatory creature.
That's what Hunter was saying on the way here.
What does that mean?
They move around more.
I feel like I needed to read the dictionary on the way here to the ramen.
Yeah, Hunter and I knew.
I need to separate the point from the flat, so I'm just following the connective tissue there. Done. We've got our shoyu tare that we made. So we're just gonna add this on top with some water, just to cover.
Wrap it up.
Yep, and we're gonna put it in the oven. This is gonna go at 275 for 7 to 8 hours.
Now, the egg is quintessential.
We cook them in a single pot, 7 minutes and 20 seconds. We put them into an aggressive ice bath. We peel them, then we soak them in a mixture of brown sugar, add some water to dissolve it. Add that to some soy sauce, float the eggs in there. We do that overnight, and then from there, we put it into fresh water to stop the osmotic
Because
process.
you could absorb too much brown sugar and soy sauce.
And it will cure the center of the egg yolk and turn it saline cooked.
What is our final step?
Assembly.
I love this part.
Time to
Yes,
eat.
me too.
This is our shoyu tare that we made. Ginger scallion oil, so sunflower seed oil, and ginger, our broth. I leave this just below a boil. Et voila.
I love the fat bubbles. I do.
And how long do the noodles go down?
Under 2 minutes, depending on the starch content of the water. We're gonna do what we call shiage, which is where we arrange the noodle. This arugula is just lightly wilted. We use the microwave. Scallions. Antonia?
Thank you.
Sunflower seeds.
I love the sunflower seeds.
Top it with the bison brisket.
Gorgeous.
slide down so I can get in a breathable area to consume.
This is Guy. He's
Honestly,
like,
yeah.
everyone,
I
let me
have to
put my
fight him
hand
every
down.
time.
Gotta put my hand down. Look at him.
The broth is so bomb. It is rich. It just coats the tongue.
I love so much the wilted arugula in there. It has that bitterness that comes through.
Sunflower seeds are one of my favorite parts about this whole thing. The noodles are cooked perfectly.
Nothing's overpowering another ingredient in the bowl.
This is the goal.
All balanced.
Can we just talk about the egg really quickly? So beautifully salty. It's got a hint of sweetness. Perfectly gummy.
What's the proper way to eat it?
Ramen is a deeply personal affair. I leave it to you. For Hunter, it's face first.
Like I'm getting sprayed.
The sound makes me happy.
The slurping.
I don't hear it enough. People are too polite around here. Dude, you're gonna finish the whole bowl, bro? Wow.
You're gonna make Justin cry.
This is the greatest compliment I can get. Bison bone ramen, pick up, please.
It's absolutely delicious.
Really tender bison that kind of just fall apart when you take a bite.
That fatty broth is just so satisfying.
Do you eat the egg slowly throughout, or do you just like go for the whole egg all at once?
Sometimes you order 2 eggs and you mix one in for umami, and then you eat the other one with the yolk in it.
That's a great answer.
Mushroom miso, straight out of Hokkaido, baby.
The locals recommend this spot to anybody coming here.
We're here about once a week.
Plating, oxtail gyoza.
When it comes to the gyoza, dumpling, the oxtail was perfectly cooked.
It's so savory and just a little pillow of deliciousness. I could order 10 of those probably.
What are we making?
We're making oxtail gyoza. This is my wife's recipe.
Oh.
We have femur bone and we have oxtail.
Do the same process that we would for the bison bone. So we've soaked them. They're gonna go into the pot with the water for 24 hours. From there, we're gonna separate out and reserve the oxtail meat. It's going in the stand mixer.
It's really broken down.
Cabbage, some scallion, garlic, ginger, salt, soy sauce,
Just a touch.
mirin, a controversial amount of black pepper.
Wow. The pepper with the unctuous meat, key.
Let's mix it up.
You're gonna let this go 24 hours and let it steep into the meat.
Exactly. We're then gonna freeze it as well, which
Further breaks it down.
So we've got our dumpling wrapper. These guys are thick with 2 C's. I think that the hardiness of the oxtail deserves it.
So this is where we've completely gone off the rails of following any Japanese culture.
Everybody is annoyed with me right now.
Except for me, because I am a dumpling junkie.
Put 14 grams of filling in. I'm so bad at this.
At dumpling making?
I can barely make my bed.
How many pleats do you make?
5.
How do you plead?
The 5th.
Let me see. Oh, that's gorgeous.
You study what you love. Wait a second, Justin, let me see.
No, I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at it.
He's crushing the dumplings.
Your son is a close second.
Wow, you went with like 10 pleats.
Yes.
The filling.
Really?
Oh!
He's going crazy, folks.
We need to leave. Is there a sauce that goes with this?
We're gonna make the gyoza sauce.
Love it.
Soy sauce, rice wine vinegar.
Black vinegar is my other fave.
It's like the balsamic of the East.
It is.
Sriracha,
Sesame oil.
a whisper.
And
One curiosity. Any guesses?
chicken base.
Xanthan gum.
Oh, Joe, I'm sorry.
a little thickener,
Gotta
huh?
tighten it up.
I almost named my kid Xanthan. It increases the viscosity, so it sticks to the dumplings better.
Delicious.
Oh, that's fantastic.
So the dumplings are frozen. They're steamed.
They're steamed. Give a little toast.
Just a
at the
little-
bottom.
little
Yep,
kiss.
Yep, little kiss.
Don't forget we have these two.
Do you see him like pacing back and forth?
He's getting closer to the pan.
Okay, now you can start putting theirs in. Oh, you have room for one more.
Those look gorgeous.
So I like to plate these upside down so that the crispy edges stay crispy.
There you go.
We have to get in here, Antonia. Here
I
you go.
know.
Take
Just
one.
we get 2.
There you go.
It's feeding time. Everyone move down. Can I use my hands?
You can do whatever you want, chef. No rules. I like that move. Guy just did the Macarena in a millisecond.
This is in the higher echelon of awesome dumplings. The depth of flavor inside with the oxtail, the amount of ginger and garlic that you have infused into this, and these thick wrappers are the key.
Yeah, that's definitely the way to go.
The emulsification of the sauce is the genius move of all things.
And you're right, it does stick to the dumpling better.
This is you at your best.
These are mine.
I have more.
Thank you.
Dumplings in 2, chef. Dumplings in 2. One more order of gyoza.
Best dumplings in town, you can't beat it. Crispy texture, the sear on it, it's wonderful.
It's such a unique flavored sauce. It all just comes together beautifully.
Bokujo's the place to stop.
Okobun's getting topped.
This is like the perfect playground for you.
You get so excited. I watch it in your face. You're so amped up about it.
Seeing your wife, your child, the space, like it is brilliant watching people excel.
My friend, I couldn't be more proud of you, and it was worth every bit of the voyage.
Thank you. That means a lot.